So this is a quick little problem that I'm definitely gonna fix. So this just needs this little handle here. And I picked one of these guys up at the junkyard. All you're gonna do is, all it does is pushes this little bar back. So I'm gonna definitely take this off. These guys are attached right there. And I took these off. All you have to do is turn them where these are facing diagonally this way, and they lock like that in place. So you take both of these guys off. You got one here, and you got to pull these little tabs out. You just pry in there and pop this out. Same thing goes for this. I got this out where we can work on it. Most definitely this has been worked on before, but it's all these little screws that hold the front plate in place. You just take these out, put them in here. Okay. This completely separates over, just like that. And this holds in place just like that. The door handle, it's gonna come in from the bottom up, just like so. It's gonna be held in place. So you're gonna put these through there, in there. Now that I pull the handle on the other side, it's just gonna push just like that. And that's all that does. Now this is gonna feed in through the back. It'd be a lot easier if these 3 screws were off. Take this whole mechanism off, put it off to the side. And what you do is just feed this in through the back and locks in place just like that. Then it holds this in place. Now what we do is we put the mechanism back, latch is in place, it's locked, and then we put those 3 screws right back. Another thing we'll do is we'll put this on top of it and screw it all back down. I was missing screws, so I did acquire a bunch more. So it's definitely gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9, and everything goes back together. The rear ones are going to be easy because all you got to do is line them up and push them in. Cool. And these front ones, you just push them in just like that. And you turn them. Same thing goes for this. You'll feel it when you put it in the right way, and it'll just turn. So one side is, it looks like one side is smaller, the other one's bigger. That's it. Push these 2 in, lock these in place, lift it. There we go. I got a door handle for this. It's fully working.